Before I formed you, I knew you, and I am here. You keep searching for the place where everything broke. Every night you made it through, every version of you that stayed alive. The former things are passing, the weight is growing thin. What was scattered in the darkness, I am gathering again. Be still and know that I am God, a scattered constellation that I have carried here. The room dissolves into white noise when anxiety flickers beyond the horizon. You do not have to chase it. I am already here. The light shines in the darkness. You have never walked a second outside my side. Be still and know that I am God. Every fragmented frequency still belongs within my voice. You count the cracks, I count the ways you survived. I was there before the fracture, through the fracture, after the fracture, and I never left. I was there when the lights went out, when the memory fell, when the world became static, when your body learned to hide. I still know your name. Be still and know that I am God. You don't have to carry this alone. You were known, you were seen, you were held. Nothing present, nothing coming, no fear, no static, no silence can separate you from my love. I have been calling your name since before the stars were born. You were never lost to me. You were always mine. Before I formed you, I knew you, I knew you.